Update on my toolbox tour. Since last time, I've done more organization and I picked up some new tools. Half-inch fuel impact, 3/8 fuel impact, fuel impact driver, and my regular drill and the work light. And then this is the big half-inch. Those are all my extensions like before. That box in the back has got a nice 3/8 impact set in it. That box is 3/8 long Allen or hex sockets. All my impact sockets, half-inch in the back. Then all my 3/8 and quarter, then another row of half-inch sockets. And then in here I put some of this foam stuff in the bottom, and I got all my ratchets organized. I got a big Pittsburgh Pro breaker bar, half-inch Pittsburgh Pro, a long 3/8 swivel Pittsburgh Pro, 3/8 Pittsburgh Pro, 1/4-inch Pittsburgh Pro, and then there's an SK in there, and an Ace Hardware, and a Stanley, and that one there I think is a Titan. Picked up T-handles, got my Norseman bits. This drawer is knives and a couple files, stuff like that. Drill bits, junk drawer, feeler gauges, some fuses, wire, labels, pens and markers. This is all different bits, tamper-proof set there. All my nut drivers, number 2 Phillips. I already did that drawer. Punches in here and chisels. All my adjustables, I got rid of some of them. I had too many. Standard wrenches. Put the foam in the bottom. Got rid of some of them. Reorganized. Phillips head screwdriver drawer. Harbor Freight, Stanley, Craftsman. Straight screwdriver drawer. Klein, Craftsman, Harbor Freight. This is my favorite drawer. This is my plier drawer. I bought this wire plier rack off Amazon, and I got everything organized in here. Got my vice grips. I got a big pair of water pump pliers. Got 3 pair of water pump pliers here. Lineman, long needle nose, slip joints, handy seamer, 2 sets of strippers, crimper, snap ring pliers, all needle nose, duckbill, all dikes. Nut driver drawer. Craftsman Cobalt, old Cobalts. Tap and dies. I need to do some organization with that. Brady label maker, awesome. Multimeter. I got a digital caliper and a standard caliper, and then there's an old caliper under there. Couple test lights, some jumper wires with alligator clips. I got 9-volt, AA, AAA batteries, stud finder, stuff like that. Metric wrench set. Like I said before, I don't have a lot of metric stuff. Clamp drawer. Hammer drawer. Put some foam in this one. Got rid of some hammers that I didn't really use anymore. I kept the ones I like. This is kind of small engine repair stuff. I do some of that work, as you can see. 25 to 250 pound torque wrench, 1/2 inch drive. This one goes up to, I think, 150 foot-pounds at this 3/8 drive. Then I've got a little inch-pound wrench. Torx, that's 3/8. Briggs & Stratton valve compressor, spring compressor. Briggs & Stratton starter clutch socket. Hone. Ring reamer. Ring spreader. Ring compressor. Valve lapper. Or valve cutter. Valve lap tool. Compression tester. Pneumatic stuff that honestly don't hardly use this stuff. The only thing I use in here are these angle grinders and that one. The rest of it, those took over. Last but not least, plumbing and pullers. I got all kinds of different pullers in there. I've got pipe wrenches, all my rigid aluminums. I've got a threader for National Pipe Thread. And I've got some rigid cutters. PVC cutter. I got a couple small rigid cutters in there. A little pipe wrench. Flaring tool. Stuff like that. That's it.